Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, S.M.W. Outdoor Fishing Adventures. Today we are on another adventure here on a different lake that I fished a little bit, but not a whole lot. I thought I'd try to fish this lake a little bit. It was kind of hard last year to shore fish it. There's not a whole lot of shoreline I could actually reach. So I'm going to get the kayak in here and try to fish in different areas I didn't last year. So we'll see what we can do. Species of fish in this lake, it's multiple panfish, and there of course largemouth bass, which I caught last year. Not a lot because I really couldn't fish the lake too well. And there's northern pike in here also. So today is going to be a day. Lucky Tackle Box, I'm going to promote them a little bit. Go to their website and get your product, get your box, and give them a shot. So without further ado, let me get unloaded here, get shoved off, and see if we can catch some fish today. So we'll talk to you soon. Yeah, so I guess we gotta find a bait today what's gonna work. Really drifting us today. Lots of grass in here. It's like 17. It's a bunch of drop-offs in here. It's gonna let us drift here and see what we can do, and let's try a bunch of different things. Got a bluegill colored chatterbait on today. Just gotta kind of figure out this lake again, because like I said, I've only short fished it, but I never. We're really drifting. It's even too fast. Okay, we gotta do something here, people. I think there's a little point out there. We're gonna stop there for a bit and see if I can anchor up here a little bit. At least slow down the kayak. Try to get a little bit of. All right, let's try it right in here a little bit. See if I can anchor us off. bunch of lily pads on the transducer. There we go. All right, let's see what we can do here on this drop off. I just talked to some people on the dock. They don't really fish too much, so they really couldn't give me any intel. There we go. There we go. There we go. Well, small one, but it's a fish. It is a fish. And what I do like the last time, I dropped my reel in the water. A little one like the other lake, but it works. It works. Thank you, little guy. Bluegill color. That's what I expected to be off that point there on the top of that drop off. I mean, he killed that thing. He killed that thing. Let's see if we can get something big. I'm struggling to bigger fish. I do have Lawrence actually sending me a brand new graph. This one is just not doing what it's supposed to do. Let's see if we can turn it again here. Work that pointer on the drop off. I don't know if you can see it or not. He was kind of like in this little drop right here. There's some little rocks. You can see some fish right there. It's kind of sitting down on there. Let's see here. Let's turn this around. Let's see if we can hit that. Another point again. This is the original chatterbait. I want to go with reactions, and I don't know why I didn't put the bluegill color in my tackle box. Oh, we can take a little break here and see if I can get my box without tipping me. Thanks to Kyle again, set me up with the jersey. I don't know if you saw that in my intro. He sent me a few other little goodies. This is the box right here. I believe the extra large bass box comes in here. He just sent me a couple of extra little things here. Line. This is best line. I've heard about this a lot, and this is 8 pound 110. Set you up if you're going to do some medium type fishing right here. He sent me that. We got some 10 pound 75 yards of regular monofilament tournament grade. He sent me what color is this? A Fire Tiger medium diving crankbait. Jerk bait, I'm sorry. He sent me that. And this is interesting right here. It's a double drop setup, drop shot setup. It actually has, I don't know if you can see it or not, it has 2 leader points and it has 2 floats. So you actually run, you run 2 hooks at a time. I'm not going to do that, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it. And these are little floats. So I'm going to try that later in the day, see if I can drop shot, something like that. It's pretty much more for, I guess maybe it says kingfish, that type of thing, sport fishing. But heck, we'll give it a shot. And shout out again, Kyle. Lucky Tackle Box. He really takes care of me, and I really, really appreciate that. All right, let's go and see if we can do anything else here. good so far. Try to work this little drop again. It's at 8:17. I want to get us turned again so I can work that point. The wind's just not cooperating lately. Blow me right in the shower, people. I gotta get myself out. Got to a little snag there. There we go. Here we go. There we go. There we are, people. A little nicer fish there. A little nicer one there. Open up your mouth. Yeah, open up your mouth there, guy. A little nicer one there. He was hungry there. He was hungry. Get myself some little line. Where are you, guy? There we go. That's a pretty fish. A little nicer one there. Get him on this side. Thank you, mister. All right, now I gotta get me out of here. Looks like chatterbait. This bluegill color chatterbait is the key today. The Jerky J bluegill color. So we got a solid bluegill set up there today. All right, I got to get us out of here. So I guess my oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I was in the trees with my rods. Make sure I got them all. 1, 2, yep. Looks like my setup turned out pretty good. Floating, and I thought that one maybe back over there when I said it was a snag. I think it might have been that fish that missed it and came back up and nailed it. No way that thing was gonna get off. He just nailed that thing. That's why I didn't want to have two rods down. Now we got a mess here. There we go. Cut that mess out. All right, back to chatterbait. I wish I could show you this. There we go. There we go, another one. There we go. Another nicer one. Another nicer one. Boy, he just hammered that thing again. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. Thank you, guy. Appreciate it. I was just gonna say, I wish you could see this hump in here. It just kind of, that's where that guy came off of. Now, he was a little deeper. He was like in the 18 off that drop. Get a sack back out there again. I'll give you another close-up of this bluegill color. Basically, that's what a bluegill looks like as far as the color. And that jerky J. Kind of chewed that up a little bit. I think I get one more fish out of it. Oh, maybe not. Nope, I got to change that out. Need to change that one out, people. Yeah, you ripped that thing pretty much apart. I might, oh my god, I don't have many bluegill left. I'm going to have to order some. Hopefully they have some stock. Alright. Get this changed out, then we'll get back out there. Do the same thing. Like I said, these little lakes in here that I'm fishing, we're in, like I said, I'm in northern Michigan. We are in the snow belt, not too far from Canada, actually. And I have a feeling these lakes are really never seen artificial baits. Or if they have, I mean, a lot of people, I don't know. I gotta get out of here. I'm not saying they don't fish it right, but not the right gear. Like just the the gear ratio on spinning rods just don't get that bait traveling in the right direction unless the conditions are just perfect for it. Chatterbaits, for me, I guess it's a catch-22. A lot of people just go out for fun fishing, and if they catch one, they catch one. They don't, they don't. My suggestion, if you can afford it, go out and get yourself a little bait caster. That's all you need is one. You can easily set yourself up and get one from Amazon. They're not the best, but they're not the worst. Get yourself a cheaper blank rod and practice, and I think you'll catch a little bit more fish. I can see the boat dock from my from here, and see some people kind of walking around by my car. I don't like that. So yeah, I guess I kind of figured out my setup today. Instead of just anchoring, just float. Ended up with a 3-fish day so far, and I'm not done fishing yet. And the reason why I'm just boat flipping those fish, because they're not very big, and if they were a little bigger, then I would be lipping them. The last one, or actually those last two, are a little nicer fish compared to what I've been, catching on that last lake. Seems like the fish in there, the largemouth, are just so small. I mean, I'm not complaining. I love catching them, but just seem they're small. Maybe it's a lucky tackle box hat and jersey. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's good luck, Kyle. And I would thank everybody that I'm on their pro staff. They help me out with gear, like apparel. I mean, I would never be able to afford it. And then to get some help from people, and it's so appreciative. It's and it promotes their product too, I guess. So it works both ways. All right, gonna kind of get on a little different. All right, let's get going here. Pretty much mutilated that bait. I don't know, people go to Trophy Technology and check out their Jerky J. Soft plastics. I mean, I'm swearing by them. am going to come in here one day though and fish all these lily pads for, see if I can catch some top water. It's still my it's my weakness. Loon talking. So I'll be fishing hard today and Sunday. Then it's supposed to have like 4 days of solid rain. Then it's gonna go into a big stretch again where there's no rain. I better get this rope in here. My dad, who is